Hello everyone, I am Dr. Lalit Damai, Head of the Department Computer Science and Engineering, YCC Nagpur, India. We know that internet expanding in all sphere of life and most of the industries increasing their web presence and interactivity with their stakeholders and customer, and its demand for incorporating good design using rich media in all business domain. With increasing focus on user experience, the importance of interaction design and design methods is also increasing rapidly in IT products and services. So, we as a YCC offering a 4-year undergraduate degree program in computer science and design. The program Computer Science and Design aims to develop graduates that are not only well versed with computing approaches, tools and technologies, but also experienced with design approaches and new media technologies and its usage. The program has a small set of core courses in computer science and design and many electives which can be taken from computer science as well as design and digital media. This course enables the student to build a program most suitable for them. The program will prepare students to work in the IT industries as well as in the digital media industries like gaming, animations, virtual reality, augmented reality, etc. The program will allow the student who wants to pursue their higher studies or to take up their higher studies in computer science or information technology or in design. So, who can pursue this particular course? So, those candidates who wants to develop their understanding of the foundations and the capabilities of computing can pursue this particular course. Those are having the ability to design and implement efficient software solutions using suitable algorithms, data structure and other computing technique can also suitable for this particular course. The aspirants who wants to develop or who wants to understand design principles and techniques and the ability to apply these developing solutions for the society, they can also opt for this particular course. So there are various job opportunities are available in this particular computer science and designing domain. Like if you are looking for general employment areas like government sectors are there, private sectors are there, banking, consultancies, colleges, universities, financial institutions, IT firms, these are the various general domains are there. And if you are looking for specific job area, then in that case we are having the different roles like cyber security consultant, data engineer, database administrator, game developer, graphics designer, IT consultant, information system manager, multimedia programmer, system analyst, machine learning programmer, machine learning engineer, technical writer, software engineer, etc. So, student, be ready, become a part of computer science and design YCC. Thank you.